So you're in discussions with your client about a design, and they show you an image of what it is that they're looking for and the exact font or something similar that they are really excited about. Here is a good tip on how you can find out what that font is in Photoshop. In Photoshop, go to the Type menu, select Match Font, and then select the text in the image that you want to find, and the suggestions appear instantly. Not at your desk, use the Adobe Capture on your phone. It works just as fast and syncs straight to your Creative Cloud library for use in any Adobe Creative Cloud application. Now the font isn't just a screenshot, it's part of your project, ready to go across all your Adobe tools. Want to speed up your workflow and master hidden tools like this? Book your custom Adobe training with Magenta SA today.